Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you how to create a Facebook account. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. First, we will click on Create a New Account. When this notification appears, I will click on Allow. Here I will add the first and last name. Then I will click on Next. Here I will add my date of birth. Then I will click on Next. Here I will specify the gender, male or female. Then I will click on Next. Here you can choose to sign up with your phone number or email address. I will choose to create an account using email. So I'm going to click on Sign up with email. Here I will add the email to create the account. After adding the email, click Next. Here I will add a password for the account. It must consist of 6 characters, and it is preferable that it be a combination of letters and numbers. After adding the password, click Next. Here I will click on I agree. Here I will add the code that was sent via the email used to create the account. Then I will click on Next. Here you can add a profile picture for the account or skip this step. I will skip it. Here I will click Turn on to give Facebook permission to access my contacts. Here you can send friend requests to 5 friends who have been recommended to you, or you can skip that. I will skip it. Then I click on Skip. Here you can add a phone number to your Facebook account or skip that. I will skip it. Here I will click Turn on Notifications. Then I click on Allow. Finally, a Facebook account was successfully created. For more Facebook tutorials, you will find a playlist at the end of this video. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.